afternoon to all. My name is Amira. Today we are going to explain the different type of transport. First, I would like to land transport, ocean roads. Example are car. Example are car, bicycle. We use land transport to go to the school, market, any other place. My name is Muhammad Azlan. I would like to tell you about water transport. Water transport example are about ship and ferry. It is used to carry people and goods across water. My name is Maisara. Next, let me share a few lines about air transport. Air transport flies in the sky. Examples are aeroplane and helicopter. It is the fastest means of transport and helps us to travel long distances quickly. My name is Saida Ahmadi. The modern train transport. Finally, I am happy to speak about train transport. A train runs on railway tracks. It carries many people and puts from one place to another. Train offers comfortable and useful long journeys. Thank you. Thank you.